Welcome to the Shona Squad. Here is a video compilation of all the 5 vowels we learned last week.
Welcome to the Shona Squad. Today, we learn one Shona vowel, and this sound never changes. Today's vowel is A. In Shona, A is pronounced ah, like the A in father. Say it with us. Ah, ah, ah.
Not Y, not only ah.
Like in amai, meaning mother. Ah, ah, ah. One vowel a day with the Shona Squad. Like, share, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for the next vowel. Welcome to the Shona Squad once again. Today's vowel is E. In Shona, E is pronounced like the E in bed. Say it with us. Eh. Remember, in Shona letter E is pronounced eh. Like in enda, meaning go. One vowel a day with the Shona Squad. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow for the next vowel. Welcome to the Shona Squad. It's our 3rd day learning to pronounce vowels in Shona. Today's vowel is I, and letter I in Shona is pronounced E, like in C.
Not I like in English, but E, for example, any meaning me.
Say it with us. E. Another Shona word example is iwe, meaning you. Yay! One vowel a day with the Shona Squad. Like, share, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for the next vowel. Welcome to the Shona Squad. Today's vowel is O, like in more, and this sound never changes. Is pronounced O, as in Shona word ose, meaning all. Say it with us. O. It is also pronounced O, like in Olu's name. Exactly! One vowel a day with the Shona Squad. Like, share, and subscribe, and come back tomorrow for the next vowel.
Welcome to the Shona Squad once again. Today, we learn how vowel U is pronounced in Shona.
Vowel U is pronounced as oo, like oo in food.
Like in the Shona word uchi,